Hi dear Capricorn, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Capricorn Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising singles. Okay, I'll tap into your recent past energy, your current energy and your near future energy and guidance from the universe and what is coming towards you till the end of December. Okay, let's see. Capricorn, your recent past energy regarding love, or you can say your emotions or your recent past energy was, let's see. Three of Cups. Might be you had a reconciliation, might be you were celebrating something with someone, or might be there was a third party situation and that created problems between you guys. I have to clarify the Three of Cups, but Three of Cups basically is telling me that you guys had a reconciliation after lots of conflicts or battles or fights or whatever it is, but there was a reconciliation between you guys. Okay, let me clarify. Three of Cups give me vibes of so many things: a third party situation, celebration, reconciliation, lots of vibes. Let me clarify the Three of Cups. Seven of Cups and the Seven of Cups and the Ten of Wands and the King of Pentacles. Okay, so what I'm getting here is that you were open to so many connections, or you were open to new relationships or new kind of people in your life, but you were not ready to give up on the past person. That's what I'm getting here. There was no reconciliation. You were trying your best to enjoy and party a lot with new people, with new options that you kept open, but you were not ready to give up on the past person as well, because you felt like the past person was your last person, you can say, was the person who is meant for you, who was meant for you. Okay, I see you opening up to new possibilities. You're trying your best to mingle into new people, new parties, new situations, but you were not ready to give up on the past person. You were at that time in the recent past, you were connected to them emotionally, energetically. Let me see what's your current energy. Let's see. Ten of Swords. Okay, you're feeling like betrayed by somebody. You feel like somebody backstabbed you, betrayed you, somebody walked away from you, and somebody did something really wrong with you, and that's creating a hell lot of problems. It's like you're not in a good energy at all, Capricorn. You are feeling like walking away, but not able to, stand up and walk away. It's like, but the good thing is, it's like the worst is over. Now you can stand up and walk again. Okay. My hair. Okay. Let me clarify the Ten of Swords in your current energy. Let's see. The Hierophant could be dealing with the Taurus, the Hermit could be dealing with the Virgo, and Five of Cups. You are feeling backstabbed, you are feeling betrayed because you were hoping for a marriage or a long-term committed relationship with them. You tried your best to go within and seek answers and seek peace, but you were not able to find that. And now you are totally heartbroken. You're totally sad, you're regretting why the hell I did that. Or might be it is possible that you are regretting the one night stand, the feelings, or whatever it was. But there's some kind of regret, disappointment that you are facing right now, because you were having high hopes from this particular person, Capricorn, and this person might be walked away, or they felt like this is not working out. I don't know what kind of energy didn't work out between you guys, but I can certainly feel like you are feeling sad and depressed, and you are feeling backstabbed and betrayed by this person. This is your current energy. Very negative energy that you are experiencing right now. My God. It could be vice versa as well, by the way. Let me see what will be your near future energy. What is happening? Two of Pentacles. You'll be really confused. I feel like you will be having two equal opportunities of relationship in the near future, or you will be having two people at the same time in the equation, okay. Or it could be possible that you will be juggling between the past and present, juggling constantly. What should I do? Should I just leave the past situation behind and should I move forward, or should I just wait for the past person? What should I do? This kind of energy that I'm picking here for you in the near future. Let me clarify. Let me clarify. Ace of Cups and the Six of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Your past is also coming, and new love is also coming, a new love offer is also coming. Definitely your past person is also coming back to you with love. Even if they're not saying I love you and I want you back in my life, but this person is coming back to you and they are having lots of love in their heart for you. And somebody new is also coming, and that is very, very confusing for you. It's like, what should I do now? Should I trust the past person? Should I go ahead with the new person? What should I do? Or it could also be possible that you are leaving the past behind and you're trying to make amends, or you're trying to make a new relationship with somebody and you're liking it, but suddenly the past person will come back in the equation and you'll be really confused, hell confused. What should I do now? What the hell is happening? What? This is what is happening. Boy, it's very difficult. Somebody from the past is coming with lots of love, and somebody new is also coming towards you because they feel like you are a very good energy. Somebody is kind of passionate about you. Okay. Let me see what is the message from the universe or guidance, or let this card flow everywhere. Cool, darling, what is happening? Okay, see what is the message from the universe for you. Relax. Two of Cups. Oh, beautiful soulmate energy is coming. Wow. So the universe is granting you this Two of Cups energy, this beautiful soulmate kind of energy. I have to clarify this. I feel like a soulmate kind of love, soulmate kind of energy is coming towards you, okay? And you are manifesting this from a very long time. Might be that I need my love, I need a lover in my life who is going to be my soulmate, who should be, compatible with me, with my energy. Let me clarify. So what the universe is telling, it could also be possible that the universe wants to tell you that the universe is with you and the universe is aligning with you slowly but surely, okay? So universal love, Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups and Two of Pentacles. Capricorn, it is like, again I'm getting the same energy that somebody from the past is also coming back to you and somebody new is also coming. There's reconciliation energy as well and there's new energy as well. It's like you'll be definitely very, very confused, hell lot of conflicts coming in because you will not be able to decide who is your true soulmate. What? You wanted to work with somebody from a very long time, you wanted to work on a situation from a very long time, but when you are ready to give up on the situation, the past is also coming back, somebody new is also coming to you, and you will be like juggling. So what the universe is telling me for you, the universe is telling me that lots of love is coming to you. Please don't be sad, or please don't feel like betrayed or backstabbed or something like that. Your soulmate energy is coming towards you. Finally. Okay, got it. And the universe, as a guidance, I also feel like the universe wants to tell you that stop juggling, just enjoy life, whatever is coming towards, and just focus on your work, just enjoy life and stop juggling, and your true soulmate will find you. This is the message that I'm getting you. Yeah, this is also the message that I'm getting you here. But anyway, past person is also coming and present is also, like somebody new is also coming. Let me see what is coming towards you till the end of December. What the universe for you, what the universe have for you. Six of Swords, peaceful life. Finally, you are going to find peace in your life. Finally, you will find a peaceful solution to a problem or a resolution to a problem. Finally, you will be able to leave the past baggage behind and move forward in your life. Beautiful, brilliant energy of peacefulness, or you can say playfulness, right? I don't see you being very, very happy like a kid, but yes, you will be at peace finally. Let me clarify. Death card and the Queen of Swords and the Eight of Cups. You will decide. You could be dealing with the Scorpio first of all. You will decide you want to end things, and you will be very very honest with yourself, and you will walk away from the things that will no longer work out for you, and you will find a peace. You will find a solution. You will be like, yes, finally I'm able to, walk away from something that is no longer working for you. Wow, that's beautiful energy. You're walking away from something that is not meant for you right now. Nice, good energy. Thank you so much, Capricorn, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.